Hi, my name is Graham with the Martin team at Intero Real Estate. Our clients approached us with this home a couple months ago and they really wanted to maximize the value that they were getting out of the property. But in order to do that, the home was a little bit beat up. It had some cosmetic issues. There were some clear cracks in the stucco, the laminate floor was a little bit worn, and it needed some new paint. And in order to really get the numbers that they wanted out of the property, we had to do some updates. And I just wanted to share that process with you. Because one of the things we offer our clients is the Graeham Watts Advantage. And part of that was we can take all the costs that they're incurring from doing the renovations and bill it to escrow, so they didn't have to pay for any of this out of pocket up front. And let's go take a look at the home, see what it needs. Welcome home. As you come in right here, the first thing you can kind of see is even just right here, they have a kind of a big hole in the wall that needs to be patched. So as you can see when you walk in here, one of the few things is that they had an entertainment center right here, and you can kind of see the outline and the drill holes in the wall where it was. Also, there's some pretty big cracks in the stucco, all kind of right here that you can kind of see outline. And they had the laminate floors put in when they purchased the property, and it's unfortunately a little bit beat up. You can kind of see they're separated and a little bit worn in places. On this side over here too, they have green paint, and there's some cracks right here as well that need to be fixed. And one of the things we actually found out is when we were looking at the carpets in both of the bedrooms, the owner didn't know this, but we actually found out that there's an original hardwood floor underneath the carpet here. And the carpets unfortunately can't be saved, but what we're going to do is tear up the carpet and remove the engineered laminate and just refinish the original hardwood floors that we have here, which should give it a whole new look. The other thing, unfortunately, they have an old door here that was damaged. As you can pretty clearly see, they just never replaced it.